Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Raptor Fishing Tackle. As we have got a lot of comments that people want to watch our videos in Hindi as well. So from now onwards, we'll be posting two videos of a same type. For example, if I'm posting now how to purchase Rapala S type reel, this will be in there will be two videos of the same thing. One will be in Hindi and one will be in English. So link of this website is in the description. You can also visit, go to the description, and then click on the link, and you'll visit our site. Today I'll be showing you how to avail such offers like this. How you can get a lure free with Rapala S type and SFX line. For this, you'll have to purchase both Rapala S type reel and the suffix line. It might be a monofilament line or a braid line. You can purchase anything, but it should be a suffix line and Rapala S type reel, and you'll get a lure free with it. So now I'm going to show you how to purchase from our website. It is not so complicated. It's very easy. First, let me tell you one more thing, that there is a profile. You can create your profile so that you don't have to add your details again and again while you check out. So now we'll go ahead and purchase this Rapala S type reel. First of all, you can see over here that there are two models, and one is without extra spool and one is with extra spool. Let's select without extra spool, and you can see over here also that there is a price difference also. You can select anything, it's as per your need. And then once you click over here, then you'll be redirected over here, so you can select which variant you want, the 4000 size or the 5000 size. And down here you can see that our video is already playing over here. You can watch this video and understand the product, what the product is. You can understand all it and clear out your doubts. In the description, you'll be seeing over here the difference between the reels, the drag capacity, the weight, and here is a size chart to explain that the size is also different of the reel, and the difference you can make out. And here you can see a shipping policy. Once you select which variant you want, you have to just click on add to cart. Once that is done, you'll see over here that one item is there in your cart. Then you can either click over here or you can directly click over here, and then you can see down over here that shipping and additional are calculated based on values you have entered. That means the subtotal is 1610, shipping and handling charges are 100 rupees, so total is 1710. Then you can select between you can create an account and log in, or you can check out as guest. We'll do check out as guest. To avoid this, you'll have to create an account. Then you'll have to enter all your details and phone number, address, which state and city. You'll have to enter all the details correctly. Once you enter all the details correctly, you'll have to select two options down here, which I think you all are not able to see it because of advertisement. That is, you'll have to agree to our terms of service and privacy policy and declare that all the information that you have provided is true, and then click on continue. Once you enter your details and everything is done, you'll be redirected to this page where you can confirm that whatever you are purchasing, the amount that you are purchasing for. Okay, and then you can click to proceed to pay. Then you have these options. Either you can use your wallet as phone pay, or you can use your debit card, or you can do by UPI, or you can scan the QR code like this. You can just scan this QR code and you can make the payment, or you can use whatever is you are feasible with. Once the payment is done, the order has been accepted by us and it will be processed within 3 days. And once the product is shipped, the tracking details will be shared to you and you can track your package. If you wish to cancel your order, you'll have to cancel it before the item is been shipped. Once the item is shipped, it's not possible to cancel the order. Thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and do comment.